In today's tutorial, we're going to tackle a common query: how to turn off or remove Windows Copilot on Windows. If you find Copilot suggestions a bit too much or want to explore other options, this video is for you. You can disable Copilot from the Settings app. Here's how to do it. Click on the Start menu and select Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Personalization and then select Taskbar tab. Under the Taskbar Items section, turn off the Copilot toggle switch to remove the icon from the taskbar. You can also use the Local Group Policy Editor to disable the Copilot feature. Take note that this only works if your device uses Windows 11 Pro, Enterprise, or Education. Press the Windows key plus the R key on your keyboard. Type gpedit.msc, then press the Enter key. Open the following path: User Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Copilot. Double-click the Turn Off Windows Copilot policy. Select the Enabled option to disable Copilot on Windows 11. Click the Apply button, click the OK button, restart the computer. Once you complete the steps, the Copilot button will no longer appear in the taskbar, and users won't even be able to open the chatbot with the Windows key plus C keyboard shortcut. And there you have it. Whether you prefer a Copilot-free experience or just want to take a break, turning off or removing Windows Copilot is a straightforward process.